In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get email with your domain name with Google Workspace. 5 minutes. We're going to set up professional email using your own domain powered by Google Workspace. Start by heading to the Google Workspace website. On the home page, choose Get Started or Start Free Trial. This begins a guided setup that makes the process straightforward, and the trial lets you test everything before committing. You'll first provide your business name, the number of employees, and your region. This information helps Google tailor the setup and billing options for your location and team size. Next, decide whether you want to use a domain you already own or purchase a new one through Google. If you already have a domain from a registrar, select that option and be ready to sign into your domain host later. If you don't have a domain, buying one here keeps everything under one roof and can simplify verification. Create your admin username and a strong password. This username becomes your primary email address and the administrator account for managing users, security, and billing. Keep these credentials secure as they control your workspace environment. Now verify that you own your domain. Google will show you a verification method, usually by adding a DNS record at your domain host. Copy the exact value provided and paste it into your DNS settings where your domain is managed. Save the change, then return to the Google setup and click Verify. DNS updates can take a few minutes to propagate, so be patient and refresh if needed. After verification, activate Gmail for your domain by updating your MX records. Replace any existing MX records with the ones Google provides. This directs all email for your domain to Gmail. Be careful to enter the records exactly and remove any old entries that might conflict. Once saved, mail delivery may take a little time to switch over, so don't worry if messages don't route instantly. With email active, open the Google Admin Console to add any additional users your team needs. Each user gets their own inbox and login. For organization, create free email aliases like a general support or info address that deliver to your primary inbox or a team member. Aliases are great for public-facing addresses without paying for extra accounts. Finally, choose a subscription plan before the trial ends to keep services running. Pick the tier that matches your storage, meeting, and security needs, and that's it. Your domain is now set up with professional Gmail.